Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Millennium Falcon is probably one of the most recognizable spacecrafts in cinematic history, and building its model kit is an exciting experience for any Star Wars fan. This video will guide you through the process of assembling your own Millennium Falcon model, from unboxing to the final touches. We'll cover everything you need to know to create a stunning replica of the iconic ship, ensuring a rewarding and enjoyable building experience. Number 5. Metal Earth Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Introducing the Metal Earth Millennium Falcon Model Kit. This is a hobby model kit, perfect for fans aged 14 and up. Get ready to build your own iconic starship. No glue or solder is needed for this model. The parts easily clip from the metal sheets. Tweezers are recommended for bending and twisting the connection tabs. This Millennium Falcon model comes with 2 sheets and has an advanced difficulty level. Once assembled, it measures 2.83 inches long, 2.2 inches wide, and 1.81 inches high. Transform steel sheets into a 3D masterpiece. Simply pop out the pieces and connect them using tabs and holes. Illustrated instructions are included to guide you. Display your completed 3D model with pride. This highly detailed, etched model is a great addition to any collection. Collect and build them all. What we like. This model kit is made from metal sheets, offering a unique building experience. It requires no glue or solder, making it accessible and enjoyable. If you are looking for a detailed and challenging build, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. My favorite part of this kit is the detail of the finished product. The finished piece isn't simply a basic representation, but a fairly detailed one with a lot of depth and texture. I like the recessed vents, fins, and raised areas that really added detail to this model. The miniatured model of Falcon, it's so detailed. Very good quality, looks better than the image itself. Comes with 2 metal sheets and detailed instruction sheet. Amazingly detailed for its small size. Number 4. Bandai Star Wars Millennium Falcon Plastic Model Kit. This is the Bandai Star Wars Millennium Falcon Plastic Model Kit. It's a highly detailed model kit with pieces molded in different colors. You can build your own iconic spaceship. This model kit is inspired by the story of Revell 1. It's a great way to relive the epic moments from the Star Wars universe. This model will bring the story to life. The package dimensions are 4.2 centimeters in height, 8.8 centimeters in length, and 15.8 centimeters in width. It's a compact package, easy to store or display. The package weight is only 0.063 kilograms. It's lightweight and easy to handle. You can easily carry it around. This product is made in China. It's a quality product with attention to detail. You will enjoy the building process. What we like. This model kit features highly detailed plastic pieces molded in different colors. It's designed for easy assembly, making it a great option for beginners. If you are looking for a quick and colorful build, this model is ideal for you. What people say. There is only one possible way that Bandai produced this kit. They produced an ultra-detailed, full-sized model, and then invented a shrink ray. I cannot possibly over-exaggerate the amount of insane detail on this tiny little kit. And on top of all of the insane detail, this kit also maintains Bandai's insane engineering prowess. This is a snap-together kit, but so much thought has gone into how the pieces fit that not only are the joins ultra-tight without the need for glue, but mold lines are cleverly hidden so there is almost zero need to sand or otherwise clean up the model. Number 3. Bandai Hobby Star Wars Millennium Falcon Model Kit. Check out this new model kit from Star Wars. It's a snap-together kit, so no glue or painting is required. This is a great item for any Star Wars fan. This product bears the official Bluefin logo, ensuring its authenticity. You can be sure that it is a genuine product. Get yours today. This model kit is designed for easy assembly. You don't need any glue or paint to put it together. It's a fun and rewarding project. This is the Rise of Skywalker version of the Millennium Falcon. It's a detailed and accurate replica of the iconic ship. It's a must-have for any collector. The model is in 1/144 scale. It's a great size for display. It's a perfect addition to any Star Wars collection. What we like. This model kit is a snap-together model, eliminating the need for glue or paint. It features the official Bluefin logo, ensuring authenticity. If you like a straightforward build with a guarantee of quality, you should consider this one. What people say. The model is highly detailed. The model has a lot of intricate parts. The model is a great representation of the Millennium Falcon. Number 2. Revell Millennium Falcon, Han Solo, 1 hour 72 minutes model kit. This is an easy-to-assemble model construction kit. It represents the Corellian transporter, the Millennium Falcon. You can build your own iconic spaceship. The kit is a 1 hour 72 minutes scale model. It offers a detailed representation of the famous ship. This allows you to appreciate the design. The model includes a rotatable sensor. This adds to the realism of the model. It's a fun feature to play with. The kit comes unbuilt and unpainted. This allows you to customize it. You can paint it to your liking. Please note that this is an international product. It may have different terms and labeling. Be sure to check the details before purchasing. What we like. This model kit is easy to assemble, perfect for beginners. It includes a rotatable sensor, adding a dynamic element to the model. If you are looking for a classic model kit that you can customize, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is a decent representation of the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. Directions and decals are good. This is a reissue of the old Revell Snap-Tight Millennium Falcon in a shiny new box and, in the case of the one Amazon sent me directly, including the little Han and Chewie figures like the first release did, although some sellers might have a slightly older edition of the kit where they did not have them in the box. Number 1. 4D Build Star Wars Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Get ready for an epic building adventure. This detailed replica of the Millennium Falcon is perfect for any Star Wars fan. It's a satisfying craft challenge. This 4D build model kit has movie-quality intricate detail. It's a film-accurate Star Wars room decor piece, complete with glue and a stand. With 223 durable punch-out pieces and instructions, it's easy to assemble. No tools are required, making it a fun and accessible project for everyone. Once completed, it's an authentic addition to your model kits collection. It's ideal for room, office, or bedroom decor, measuring 16.9 by 12.4 by 8.8 inches. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for men, women, boyfriends, and anyone who loves Star Wars. It's a fantastic birthday present. Switch it up with 3D puzzles, party games, and couples games. Don't forget 1,000-piece puzzles for adults and card games for adults, 2+ board games for kids 8 to 12 and games for kids ages 4 to 8. The kit includes 10 cardstock sheets, glue, and detailed instructions. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment for your peace of mind. What we like. This model kit offers a detailed replica with movie-quality intricate detail. It's easy to assemble, making it a satisfying craft challenge. If you like a large, display-worthy model, this one is perfect for you. What people say. This model was great as well, and especially for the price. What really is great is these seem like high-quality wood or plastic models from any distance. Super cool to build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.